Aviation must achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. While SAF will account for the biggest portion of that carbon mitigation, alone it will not be enough. Other levers will be needed. One of those is CORSIA. Initially, this primarily envisaged outer-sector high-quality offsets as the main tool. The availability of such offsets, however, remains scarce. In the meantime, the Oxford Principles for Net Zero Aligned Carbon Offsetting states existing carbon must be permanently removed from the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide removals, or CDR, could make a significant contribution to achieving net zero carbon emissions, as it is a solution for emissions that are either industrially or economically unavoidable, or both. In particular, direct air capture is gaining momentum. It works by taking carbon dioxide directly out of the air. The carbon can then be permanently sequestered in geological reservoirs, resulting in permanent carbon dioxide removal. The removed CO2 can also be used in the SAF production process, which creates an in-sector solution for the aviation industry. The potential of CDR in aviation's decarbonisation is significant, but there are questions to answer. How can we overcome the currently fragmented legislative framework for CDR so that it becomes a globally recognised and accepted solution? And how do we grow the capacity and reduce the costs so that it can efficiently scale to the size of our net zero carbon emissions by 2050 challenge?